In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Assassin's Creed Unity without a graphics card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy instructions on how to properly set up and run Assassin's Creed Unity on your computer if you don't have a graphics card. So as you can see, I'm doing this process on a PC through the Ubisoft Connect launcher, but usually you can even do it if you own Assassin's Creed Unity outside of the launcher itself. So the obvious thing is that you should go ahead and try to run it. If the game doesn't even run to begin with, then unfortunately I don't have any advice for you. If the game simply refuses to open, it could mean that your hardware is way too outdated, and sadly I don't know of any way to bypass this. However, if you are able to get inside of the game, then there are a lot of things that you can do to improve performance. First, inside of the game, go over to the options, select Game Options, and in here you will be able to browse through a bunch of things. First, I recommend turning off the blood effects. Even though this might seem minor, if you have really out-of-dated hardware, you need every single boost that you can get. Even though this is minor, I'm still gonna recommend it because taking particles away can help, so consider this. But if you want to have a more immersive experience, you can leave that on. The next menu to check is going to be Graphics. Now, one thing to consider is to lower your resolution. The higher resolution you go, the more demand there is going to be on your graphics card. So if you are willing to play on a lower resolution, it can help. Something else to do is to set up the refresh rate accordingly, but usually this won't impact performance much, so just match the refresh rate on your monitor. And for window mode, always try to run it on full screen. This is because if the game is exclusively full screen, all of the resources on your computer are going to be dedicated to the game, making sure that it always receives the maximum amount of memory and resources. I'm using it on Windows because I'm currently recording this video, but you should run full screen. Brightness is optional, and then graphics quality extremely important to set it to low. Afterwards, VSync, you can play around with this setting, but usually off is going to be better. You can enable this if you notice that you keep bumping up and down, and if you want to stabilize FPS, turn on VSync, but I often avoid it. Afterwards, go over to Advanced Graphics after you apply these changes, and the next things to check are going to be if everything is set to low. It's as simple as doing everything in low. Of course, if you notice that everything looks too ugly and you want a little bit of a boost, you can consider increasing them one by one. You should do your own benchmarks and test them individually. I cannot tell you specifically what is going to work for your case scenario, but because sometimes you might have slightly better CPU and slightly better RAM sticks, for example, while other people might have even lower specs, so you have to test it accordingly. But by lowering the graphic quality to low, you will be able to get the maximum amount of performance possible, even if you don't have a dedicated graphics card. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Assassin's Creed Unity without graphics card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.